How to log out of Prime Video application using your smartphone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily log out or sign out of Amazon Prime Video app using your smartphone. First things first, open the Prime Video application on your smartphone, and from the home page, go ahead and click on My Stuff at the bottom right corner. Now once you do that, you'll end up in this page where you need to click on the gear button at the top right corner. Once you open up the settings menu on the screen, scroll all the way down and look for My Account and tap on it. Under My Account, click on Sign Out. Soon after you do that, within a couple of seconds, you'll be logged out or signed out of your account. So that's how you successfully log out of Prime Video. Your account is now secure on this device and you can log in else whenever you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.